Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the HearthStone game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to update the game, simply open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, simply tap on the search box and then search for HearthStone. Once you find the game, if you see an update button instead of play, then this means that you will need to install the latest updates. Just go ahead and tap on the update button and this will begin the download and installation. Once it is completed, you will see the play button once again. So just tap on it and now your HearthStone game will be fully updated and ready to play. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update your HearthStone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.